Hey man, man, look what's happening. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You feel me? If you already tapped in with me, I appreciate it. You feel me? Rocking along with me. But look, shows y'all in a minute like the new edition. I'm gonna go downstairs. Show y'all the new edition to like the young jogging. You feel me? If you still rocking with you, if you really rocking with the kid, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know. But look, I'm currently right now walking out here working, man. Yeah, if you ain't know, I got a juvenile, juvenile program, level 6. Shout out to them boys. A card to B card, the freedom boys now. But yeah, I'm finna take y'all downstairs, let y'all see the new edition. Come on, man, you know I'm rocking it. Everywhere I go at, you know what I mean? Rocking it. Oh, I ain't, man, did nothing in a minute. Other than that last one, I dropped with that football. I don't need that bit of luck. I don't feel like walking. It locked. It's all cool over here. Let me show y'all the new additions to the young jogging. See, I had like the tan looking part. It was all on here. I took all that off. I'm gonna do all that over. But yeah, I got these going right. Let me zoom it out. But that's it right now. You know what I'm saying? Thick on them. Them back. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Got it. Got it. Don't mind all this stuff, but I'm gonna clean all that off. But yo, too much of nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Keep running the hit, so I'm winning fall victim every day. Put the
ain't nothing too major, like I think I might lift it up to like a, what y'all think, a 6 or a 4. I got some folks telling me put a lift on it, a photo, but I was thinking at least about like a 6. There's that in the 3rd. That's it. This is the inside of it right now. I'm gonna get an iPad and put my iPad. I'm gonna take all this out. Put my iPad right here. All right there. My brother's on Lonely Homie. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, if you know, tour game. Yeah. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get the LED lights, all that in here. All that good stuff. LED lights. Folks. Creeping. Oh, they gone. True. Yeah, like I say, I'm with the LED lights here. Yeah, in the front, it's gonna be like, I'm gonna have my my name or some shit up there. In the back, demon time. Yeah, we don't speak on it too much. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, ain't too much. I need some 4-wheel drive. Yeah, 4-wheel drive. This the bike seats. Now I'm gonna cover them up. Just sit this shit on my socks right there, donut, you know. Front seat got a little clothes in there. Cookies and all. Yeah. If you're new to the channel, that subscribe button for me. Like, don't be no hater. Do that for me. I done bust my lip. Now I never playing. Boy, let me let y'all get a view from the front of this bit. See how the front look. Y'all let me know, like, give me some ideas of how you think I should do it. Like, you think I need to keep it white, or like keep it white, or get it. Put some spacers on it, bring the tires out a little more there. Bring them out a little more, something like that. So it's like, see, like, I'm gonna take out this right here. I'm gonna take that out of the way and get like the Raptor sign. Put the LED lights and all that. I'm gonna change these, all that stuff. Put like neon lights or something on there. Yeah. This it, man. It's the new yeah to the new edition. I still got my Chevy setting, but I don't know. I might just go ahead and keep it and do it as a project as we go along with this my journey on the YouTube, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. I think I need to do with these, like keep these or get like, I don't know, keep them more. Y'all just let me know. See, I was just gonna do like, you know, like the Ford look. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna drop a picture right there, like the Ford look I was talking about, like how they had a big body wide on them. You feel me? Like, I don't know, I'm gonna just try to be a comment, let y'all know. In a blopper. I'm gonna drop it in the video, let y'all know I'm talking about. The Ford look, or just like, you know, like what I need to do. What y'all wanna see? What kind of content y'all want to see from me? Oh, y'all got y'all. I got the size stuff long. 10. So like, if you too short, can't really get up on nothing. That's it right there. It's a V8, flex fuel. I might change the pipes out too. I was thinking about like a Magna Flow or something like that. You can hear the, you know, yeah, I'm gonna change this out too. I'm gonna get like the single one. Like the one that ain't got all this right here, that's the single one. Yeah. I'm really a Chevy person, but oh yeah, 4x4. I got the what old they go into my horse again, bike. I think I'm trying to rob them, so I'm gonna take these out too. I'm gonna take all this out. I'm gonna put some new ones in. Put like the lights will go around it. All of that. But this the back of it, how I look on the bike. The tires and junk. But yeah, y'all let me know. Like what kind of content y'all wanna see me with the truck. And by the way, this ain't white. This a cream color. So yeah. Shit, go on about your business. But yeah, man, like I said, if you're new to the channel, do just a little quick. Let me do some, just a post. I gotta take it, if it be consistent. If I really want to jump, you tap in and go how I want to go. That's really with anything in life. You should be more consistent. I feel like it's it, you feel me? But yeah, that's more of anything in life though. You want everything to pop for you. Gotta be consistent. Like, stay with it. Keep faith and don't give up. Saying that's my main focus right now. Stay consistent and do what I do. And give y'all content that y'all want to see. Hands got dirty. But I'm going to the room because I got to go to work at 8 o'clock. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. All that good stuff. I appreciate for everybody tapping in that subscribe to me. We going up. I got big things coming real soon. Oh my God, it's Kelvin. Okay.